Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how you can get verified on Snapchat. The Snapchat verification process is automatic and accounts usually get given a verification badge once they have around 50,000 views on their stories. Apparently it can take a while for it to happen, but if you have that many views already, you should probably just wait a little bit longer to automatically be given a verified badge. There may be some other reasons why you might need to get verified sooner, such as if you are being impersonated by other people pretending to be you and you need your followers to know which account to trust. Then you can try the following method to contact Snapchat support and ask them to verify your profile manually for you. Open up Snapchat and go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. Now tap on Contact Us. Choose My Snapchat isn't working and then choose Other. Under Need help with something else, choose Yes, and then finally select My issue is not listed. Now you will need to enter your username, email address, mobile number, your device, the date, and in the information box you need to enter your request to be made verified and why you need it. You need to have a pretty valid reason. Once you have sent the support message, it will take a couple of days for them to email you back. They will either approve your request or tell you why they have declined it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks in the future.